Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well and fine, and also hope that you are enjoying learning your literature. So let's today begin the explanation of chapter 2, My Diary. Let's start the chapter now. As in our earlier video, we have discussed about the diary. What a diary is? A diary is a book in which we record all that occurs in our lives. We document our hopes, thoughts, experiences, aspirations, and feelings in it. So, this is a diary. Now, in this chapter, we are going to read about a diary entry of Mail Ganeshan. Let's see what she is telling. My name is Mail Ganeshan and this is my brand new diary which only I can read. So keep off, you have been warned. So in this line, Mail Ganeshan is warning that better keep away from my diary, keep off from my diary because this is my diary and no need to have a look at it. Okay. Every year, Appa's office gives everyone who is working there a calendar and a diary with JKB Enterprises written on it. Every year, his father's office, for the working staff, from the office, the diary has been issued to all the working staffs in which it is written JKB Enterprises, and he is a financial consultant who advises about the finance of people, that is the financial consultant. I don't really understand what that means, but Mail actually doesn't know what a financial consultant is. So she is saying that I don't understand what it means. But that's the answer I give when people ask me what he does. But often when she is being asked about what your father is doing, so she is always saying that he is a financial consultant. Amma usually gets the diary for writing accounts and making lists where she keeps ticking things or scratching them out quite loudly. And Amma also, she is getting the diary, but what's the use of diary for Amma? That she is writing the accounts and making the list of the things, and when the work is over then she is striking off that list. Okay, but this year they gave this notebook to, and Appa gave it to me saying that I should write every single day. He said that I could talk non-stop to it and give everyone's ears a rest. But now, again this year, they have given this notebook also along with the diary, and that is, Appa told Mail that you should be maintaining this diary and you will be writing here every single day, and this diary, while you are writing, it can give everyone's ears a rest. Means when you will be busy in writing the diary, others will be getting rest from your very much talkative habit. When I was small, Amma used to give me a rupee if I could keep quiet for 10 minutes. Obviously, this is the habit of most of the children, that they talk non-stop. Continuously they are talking and they are being told by their parents that be quiet for some time at least. But here the Mail's Amma, she is giving her 1 rupee for being quiet for 10 minutes. She says, I'd asked every 30 seconds if it was 10 minutes, but at least I had no other questions to ask. When she was asked to be quiet for 10 minutes, then after every 30 seconds, she used to ask that whether that 10 minutes is over or not. It means that she is so much talkative that she cannot be quiet even for 30 seconds. Okay. In this book, I am going to write about everything I think of, and nobody is going to ask me to keep quiet. Again, this is a very good thing that Mail has got. She can talk non-stop here without any interruption, and no one is going to say be quiet and she can talk continuously. I covered the notebook today with some old wrapping paper that Amma had, and I stuck this label I had on it too. Some wrapping paper she got from Amma, and she covered the diary. Appa thought it was grand, means fabulous. He said, when I become fabulously rich and famous, he will show everybody this diary and tell them how he knew from the start that I was going to be a writer. Actually, father is very proud, saying that when she will grow up, when she will become famous, and when she will become very rich, then he is going to show this diary of mine to everyone, and will tell that from the beginning he knew that she is going to be a writer. I didn't say anything, but I crossed my fingers and toes. She crossed her fingers as if her father's wish is going to fulfill. One day she is going to become a writer. Appa is super proud of my writing. Last month I won this poetry competition in school, and he told everyone on the planet about it. What happened last month? She won a poetry competition, and Appa was so much proud of her that she told everyone around him, in the office, in the neighbors, everywhere, that she has got the prize in poetry competition. It means that her father was very proud of Mile. Actually, I have started writing many stories, but I haven't finished all of them. The thing is, I just don't know where some of them are going to go. Actually, Mile, she has started many stories to write, but she was not able to complete because she was confused. What can be the end of the story? So, she has left the story in between only, in the middle only, and again she started the next one. I once wrote a novel in which the villain was born on Feb 29th, and so technically he was only 12 years old like me. 29th February, as you already know, that it comes after every 4 years. So when you will count the years after every 4 years, then 12 years means lot of years here. So he is quite older, but actually he was only 12 years old when you will count according to the birth date, that is of 29 Feb, which comes after every 4 years. He goes to school and he is a mathematical child prodigy. Okay, what a child prodigy is: a young child who is unusually intelligent or skillful for her age. Although he was of 12 years, but he was quite intelligent according to his age because he was quite older. Okay, only he can't be a prodigy because he is not a child really. As you already know that 29th February comes after every 4th year, so 12 year means a lot of years. So he was not a child really. Thamrai said he must have looked really old, that nobody would have believed that he was 12. As he was from the age only, from the appearance only, it was visible that he was quite older. So he didn't appeared to be of 12 years. Thamrai is telling. Thamrai, who is Thamrai here? He is the brother, younger brother of Mile. I said he wore makeup, but they only made him laugh even more. As he was older, but everyone thinks that he has done makeup, that is why he is appearing to be a child, but actually that makeup makes others laugh on him because he looks so funny, because as he is older one and trying to appear like a child. I really don't know if I will ever become a writer, though Tata knew that what I was thinking. Tata here is the grandfather of Mile. He knew that Mile is going to become a writer. He said, "Of course you will, Peacock." Peacock is the name that Tata is calling to Mile lovingly. Okay. He said he had gave me a real peacock feather and that I should stick it right on top. Okay, what he did, he gave a real peacock feather to Mile and told to stick that on the top of the diary. But I don't want to, it will look silly. It doesn't look nice according to Mile. She didn't like it to stick that peacock feather on the top of the cover page of her diary. Everyone at home calls me Peacock because that's what Mile means. Actual meaning of Mile is peacock. That is why everyone calls her Peacock. Except Thamarai. Thamarai here is his younger brother. Obviously, we know that brothers and sisters, they have a fight. They have a fight often between them. You must also be having your younger brother and sister, or older brother and sister, or elder brother and sister, with which you must also be having fight or some issues or rivalries like this here also. The last bit in the warning is for him. What was the warning that was in the diary? Keep off. That means keep away from the diary, and this warning was specially for Thamarai. He used to eat newspapers when he was small. Obviously, small children, they have habit of eating some or the other thing. Some are eating newspapers, papers, even chalks, erasers. Small children, they all are eating like this. So here Thamarai, when he was small, so he was eating newspaper. Amma says not anymore, but who knows? Maybe he eats diaries or notebooks nowadays. Now Amma used to say that he was eating newspaper when he was small, but now no one knows. That might be now when he is grown, so he might be eating diaries and notebooks even. So they are making fun of Thamarai here. So that is the full day event of Mile Ganeshan that she has mentioned in her diary. So that's it. Tomorrow we'll be doing the exercises of the chapter. We will be discussing the exercises of the chapter and you will be writing that in the notebook. All the exercises that we will be discussing, you will be writing in the notebook. And yes, no need to worry about that. The answers obviously I will be sending you. Tomorrow we will only discuss the exercises. Okay, try to read the diary entry again and try to understand it. Okay, bye then.